And
Okay,
I
good.
never like, whenever we travel together and she starts her English song, I just say, Hindi bajao na. Why are you listening English song? But she only likes that K-pop and BTS,
Oh,
and I don't like that topic. I just told to Arundhati, what is the topic? She told, Mommy, it is fantasy. And to be honest, she's fan of Harry Potter. She
okay,
has a big library. She has
okay,
many books of Harry Potter. She has watched every series.
okay,
But I hate, and when I just saw the school is calling, okay,
okay.
I thought something is there. Why I am getting call from school?
You
And
never get a
immediately
call. You never get a call from school, right? You never get a call.
I never got. But if I'm getting call from school, immediately I thought, what happened?
Your
I
heart
just
skipped a
asked,
beat. Your heart
yeah,
skipped a beat.
yeah, I am just looking at the screen and I'm thinking, kya hua? And immediately I asked, kya hua? They are not aware of that because her tooth, one tooth, it dislocated. So she
Oh,
was in panic. And she was thinking, my smile is very beautiful. Now I won't be able to smile because there is no tooth. So
yeah.
these type of psychological pressure they have because
Okay,
when you face your camera,
okay.
it seems, it sounds easy, but it's very tough.
Very tough. Very tough. Very tough.
Very tough.
Good evening. Good evening. How are you?
Good evening. I am good. And how are you?
I'm very well. Thank you so much for asking. My name is Pratik. I'm from Calcutta. Where are you from?
I'm calling from Chhattisgarh.
Wow. So we are close by, not far away. I'm from West
Overnight
Bengal.
journey? Overnight
Overnight,
journey?
overnight journey would be fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. So good. We are like neighbors.
Yeah.
So I understand that today is your last session of the subscription plan. Is it?
Yes.
Yes. So tell me something like how long was this journey in this subscription plan?
To be honest, it's not my plan. Means
Okay.
I didn't take subscription.
Okay. So who took the
Uh,
subscription?
It's my daughter. She's in class 8th.
Oh, wow. And why did she tell you to
But
join?
today,
Why did she join?
actually, today she is not available today.
Okay.
And means not available. She is available, but she is not able to talk today.
Okay.
And as you know, my subscription is going to be ended, and it costs 200 rupees each class. So she told, "Why don't you use it?
Okay.
Otherwise, it will lapse."
Okay. So it
So
was
I thought, okay, let's try.
okay. So it was basically your daughter's subscription, right? Daughter,
Yeah,
your
yeah,
daughter. So it is daughter. So
yes,
daughter was taking the plan, right? Daughter was
yes,
taking the plan.
yes,
Great,
yes,
great.
yes.
So tell me, ma'am, like, what do you think at the what? Why do you think your daughter joined this program?
Uh, to polish her English, because
Okay,
nowadays all children, they are
okay,
from English medium school. They
right,
don't have such as language problem.
okay,
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 but
okay,
when you say to an English medium school student as well to
okay,
express your views, they are not
okay.
able to do it
Oh,
because
okay.
my native language is Hindi.
Right, right,
All the
right,
time we talk in Hindi. Even
right.
that if you go to school,
Uh,
students they talk in Hindi,
right.
though
Correct.
they talk in English with teachers. But that is, very calculative, very technical, and they know the answer. So they are able to talk in English with their teacher. But in day to day life, if we say that you'll have to speak in English, they are not able to do properly. And main problem is how to express your views.
Right. Absolutely. Absolutely.
If I give you a topic, so it is
Uh-huh.
very difficult for them to express their views. So for
Right.
last 1 years, she has been doing clapping for last 1 year.
1 year, right? So tell me something, ma'am. If I were to ask you, like, uh, what improvements have you seen in your daughter? Two,
A
three areas of.
lot,
Tell
a
me, ma'am.
lot,
Please describe. Please
a
describe.
lot, a lot.
Yeah, please
First thing
compare.
is when I see her initial videos, she was scared of something. I mean, she was not
Okay.
able to speak. And especially when you give any topic like today's topic or any topic, means she was just thinking. She used to think what to
Yes.
say, how to say. But now in 1 year, she's able to manage anything.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
She has her own YouTube channel as well. So
Wow.
she speaks now fluently. So it is very good.
Okay.
I told her to start her YouTube channel because
Okay.
when you face your camera,
Okay.
it seems, it sounds easy, but it's very tough.
Very tough. Very tough. Very tough.
Very tough. So I told, why don't you start your YouTube channel? Because we found many people, they were doing Clapingo videos, Cambly videos, and they were talking and they were publishing their videos. So I
Correct.
told you should also do the same. In this
Right.
way, you will be more confident.
Absolutely. So
Yeah.
she publishes a video on YouTube, the Clapingo
Yeah.
videos on YouTube.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, very nice. So,
So her name is Arundhati. Actually, as it's
yeah,
her subscription plan. So I'm not Arundhati. She's Arundhati.
see, she's posts her video. So, what improvements have you seen? Like, she has become more confident.
Yeah, a lot. A
Yes.
lot.
And what about
And
her
nowadays she is improving. She is working on her accent.
accent? Wow,
Yeah.
great. And what about the grammatical in the field of grammar?
You know that English medium students, they don't have such problem with grammar because in
Right,
day-to-day life they are in their school and in their course books, everything in English. So
right.
they don't know grammar. I don't know they know or not, but it's in their tongue.
Yes.
Like we
That
speak Hindi, whatever your native language we speak, we don't know the grammar, but we are speaking. So
correct.
same with English medium students. They
Yes.
don't have grammar problem. Only they have hesitation because they don't have any atmosphere in their school or maybe in home or in neighbors, or they don't have any atmosphere. And
Right.
my issue was because in future, as a career point of view, you will have to face GD. You'll have to face many interviews. Then you will
Yes.
have to express yourself, and only
Yes.
you'll have to express in English.
Correct. Absolutely.
So what I realized, the
Mm-hmm.
people, they are in hurry. They don't have
Okay.
time and they
Okay.
want to learn overnight.
Right.
And they always compare the things with money. They'll
Yes.
they'll think that I'll have to spend so much money on Clappingo or Cambly, and I don't know how much I'll gain back. So therefore, they don't join, or they just join for 1 month or 2 months, whatever it is. But I
Yes.
did realize that Arundhati has been doing for last 1 year, and gradually she is learning, gradually. And nowadays, she doesn't have any fear. She can
Yes.
speak anywhere on any topic.
Yes.
And
Absolutely.
what
That is
happened, last yesterday, she was
uh-huh.
playing basketball in
Okay.
her school and she met
Okay.
an accident. And
Oh.
because of, yeah, her tooth, it dislocated. And
Oh.
she had minor surgery. Now she's not able to talk. Therefore, she didn't join today's class.
Oh.
And she told, ki, Mom, you should join because
Oh.
tomorrow is my last day. And
Oh.
for next 10 days, I don't think she would be able to speak or talk.
Oh.
So, therefore, today I'm joining you.
How is she now? How is she now?
Yeah, now today she's better.
Okay.
But yesterday she had surgery and there was pain and everything. And the
Surgery.
psychological pressure as well. The
Yes.
psychological pressure as well. And because, nowadays that medical science and surgery and all these things, it has
Mm-hmm.
enhanced a lot. Because there is
Yes.
no issue. But the child, they are not aware of that. Because her one tooth, it dislocated. So she
Oh.
was in panic. And she was thinking, my smile is very beautiful. Now I won't be able to smile because there is no tooth. So
Yeah.
these type of psychological pressure they have.
Oh. Yes. So how did she get over that the thought that she had that I won't be able to smile?
Because we got that tooth and it dislocated by root. So we
Okay.
went to doctor immediately, and doctor told it is, if you come in an hour, means not more than an hour,
Okay.
it will be easy to set back again.
Oh. So you
Otherwise you
got
will have, yeah, within an hour we were in hospital. So otherwise you will have to go for artificial teeth.
oh. So he
Yeah.
she got her natural teeth back.
And now the doctor has set it.
Uh-huh.
Within a week we'll get no.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So right now the teeth the natural tooth has it been fixed to
Fixed,
her?
fixed with some wire and some tape. I don't know what is that. They have fixed it, and within a week, we'll get
Okay.
know that body has absorbed it or not.
Okay. 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 So
Yeah,
fortunately, she got her tooth back, and
yeah, yeah,
but that pressure, psychological pressure, was
yeah,
immense.
yeah,
And, and I'm sure you're praying that she gets well soon, and like
yeah,
the tooth is absorbed well. That's
yeah,
important. Yeah, for a class
Be-
8 student, like she's like 13 years old,
yeah,
13,
exactly.
13 years old. So,
Yeah,
so at such a young age, that is a lot of pressure.
yeah.
Like, I can completely understand. And will she be going to school?
And I just here I would love to discuss because just we are talking. There isn't any particular topic. I just asked her what thought comes in your mind immediately. Then she told me because she's brilliant student and most of the time she gets awards and rewards and she goes to a stage. Then she told mom, I thought, how will I go to a stage without my tooth?
Oh, yes, yes, yes,
So that pressure was there because
yes.
she was not aware of medical science.
Right, right.
And she was in school, she was alone, we were not there. Her principal called us that immediately you will have to come because your daughter met an accident and there is some serious problem. So immediately we rushed to school.
Yes, yes,
But
absolutely.
yeah, but thank
But
God
for
it's all okay now, I guess.
yes, fortunately, everything is okay, and I can
Yeah,
understand the mental pressure that she went
yeah,
through.
yeah.
I can understand.
And when I just saw the school is calling, okay,
Okay,
I thought something is there. Why I am getting call from school?
you
And
never get a
immediately
call. You never get a call from school, right? You never get a call.
never, I never got. But if I'm getting call from school, immediately I thought, what happened?
Your
I
heart
just
skipped a
asked,
beat. Your heart skipped
yeah,
a beat.
yeah, I am just looking at the screen and I'm thinking, kya hua? And immediately I asked, kya hua? Then she told, no, you'll have to come immediately because this thing. Then I told, first you gave her mobile. I want to talk to her. Then she talked. She was okay. She was
Okay,
okay. Then immediately we rushed to school.
okay.
So, but nowadays teachers are also not so responsible that children are playing in ground and 50, 60 children are together and only one teacher is there and teacher is not paying proper attention.
Uh,
Because in our childhood also, many times we got hurt. But
okay.
nowadays, children, they are very, what should I say? I don't know what is in English. They are very soft. They are very innocent. We were hard.
They were very, very.
Very soft. Means in Hindi we say na, najuk. They are very
Uh,
soft. They are
right,
not
right.
able to take that pressure.
They're very tender. They're very tender.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Yeah, they
Yeah,
are not unable to take that pressure.
yeah,
And they are very soft-hearted. You can say they are very soft-hearted,
yeah,
uh,
yeah.
and so they are unable to take that pressure. I completely understand. And how did she meet with that accident, ma'am?
Actually, she was playing basketball and she was coming from here, and one child from coming from here, and they just, it's
Collided.
not, yeah, you can say.
So
And
her.
she fell down.
Oh, I understand. So that was an accident. And so is the school far from your residence, ma'am?
It's 10 minutes away.
Okay, okay, good.
Not
Because
so far.
fortunately, it
Not,
is close by. It is close by, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So today's topic was on fantasy. So
But I don't like that topic. I just told to Arundhati, what is the topic? She told, Mommy, it is fantasy. And to be honest, she's fan of Harry Potter. She
okay,
has a big library. She has
okay,
many books of Harry Potter. She has watched every series.
okay,
But I don't like. I
right,
always say to her, whenever she talks about Harry Potter, I say, why do you talk about Harry Potter? I don't like Harry Potter.
yes,
So I just told to Arun that I'm not able to talk on fantasy because I don't like it. And
right,
I have
good,
no idea about characters. Means
okay,
not only Harry Potter, any fantasy characters, and I have no idea.
no
So
idea.
I just told I'm not able to talk on that. Then she told you can talk. whatever you want, but just
Yes,
attend the class.
yes, absolutely. We can talk about anything you want, so no worries.
Yeah,
So, ma'am,
yeah.
tell me something like going forward, now that she has improved a lot, like, is she planning to rejoin Clapingo?
We have many coins with us, so we get mostly free or for few. We have to spend very less money. So I think because she takes once class in a week, not
Okay.
daily classes, because she's very busy in her day-to-day life
Hmm.
with the study, and she's learning coding, singing, piano, painting. So she doesn't have much time. So she
Okay.
takes once in a week, one class in a week.
Okay.
So she can take, she can, it's up to her only.
Yes. So, where do you think she needs to improve further?
I think means she has great vocabulary because she reads a lot book. Voracious reader. I just
Oh,
told whenever she gets free time, she just read books. So her vocabulary is very good. But yeah, need good expressions. Need to
okay.
use many idioms, and especially nowadays she is working on accent. She watches many English videos, and she only listens English song. She
Yes.
doesn't listen Hindi song. And
Okay.
I
Good.
never like whenever we travel together and she starts her English song, I just say, Hindi bajao na. Why are you listening English song? But she only likes that K-pop and BTS and Taylor Swift and all those things.
Okay, I understand. So, so that is good, but okay, I understand. So she can start learning idioms. Idioms, you said, is one area that she.
She knows. But what happens, as I told, we are not in habit to use all these things.
Yes,
That
yes.
is the issue. She knows everything. Not everything, most of the things she knows. Means if someone is speaking and I ask, what is the meaning of that idiom? She knows. But since we are not talking in our day to day life, so she doesn't use it. So she'll
Okay,
have to work on that only.
okay. She doesn't use it. So that she doesn't know. So for that, if she joins Clappingo, the tutors over here can guide her on that, on the
Yeah.
usage, and the
Yeah.
on the also on the usage on the
Yeah.
vocab words that
Yeah.
she knows, she can be taught how to use those words in
Yeah.
sentence, so that that
Yeah.
usage becomes a habit. And once
Yeah.
that usage of idioms and words becomes a habit, then automatically her communication skill will go to a different level.
Yeah.
And one more thing, ma'am, I believe that this for the last 1 year she has been practicing. But
Yeah.
now, once she leaves Clapping Go, she won't have anyone to speak in English with, will she?
No, in a school with teachers they are talking, and now she can speak. Means now she doesn't want any clapping a type of platform for consistency.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah,
But for enhancing that idioms,
yeah,
the idioms and
yeah,
vocab usage, because when you speak to someone, there will be no one to correct her.
yeah,
But on
exactly.
Clapingo, there was someone to guide her and correct her. So
Yeah,
that is important. So I would
yeah,
suggest that she can join for another, you know, uh,
yeah. I hope she'll join back.
uh, otherwise there's a chance of her getting back to where she started from, because this continuity is very important.
Yeah,
And once she masters this language, then she can confidently do without, you
yeah.
know,
Language is very vast. Means no one
yes,
can say that they are perfect, and she's a child.
yes,
Definitely, it's learning process, and she is learning.
yes.
And nowadays, since she is making videos as well, so she posts it.
Yes.
So
Ma'am, we are running out of time. So just wanted
yeah,
to say her that I wish your daughter all the very best. May she
thank
get
you,
well soon. Give my best wishes to her.
thank
Let's
you,
pray
thank you,
everything turns out well. And I wish you and your daughter all the very best. And I hope
thank
to see
you.
you on Clapping